This is Dave, from Iron Blackbird Cycles in West Frankfort, Illinois. We're at Bonnie Cafe, and we'll take you in for a walk around. Remember, during the Cannonball, if you stop at a sponsored restaurant or gas station, your time will be deducted while you're there from your race time. So, we'll do a quick walk through the restaurant here. And this is, they got a daily buffet. That's a fries, mashed potatoes, all that good stuff. Bone-in wings, boneless wings, fried chicken, stuffed peppers, salad bars included. Y'all be sure and stop in before and after the race. And this is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. Say hi from
Hello from Bonnie Cafe.
What's the hours here, huh?
6 a.m. to 8 p.m.? Yes. 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. But we close at 3 on Sundays.
We close at 3 on Sundays, so get in early on Sundays. Anyway, the race, Cannonball race is September 27th. If you stop at any of the sponsored stops, your time will be deducted from the race while you're at the stop. So if you want to have a sit down, you can do that while you're racing. Anyway, this is Dave from Iron Blackbird Cycles. Don't forget to like and subscribe.